If you are looking for a powerful solution to convert your DXL file to the PST, if yes, then download BitRecover DXL Converter Wizard. To know more about the software, watch the complete video. Read all the guidelines carefully, and click on the next button. Now user have two options: to upload the DXL files. To select the file, click on the Select File button. And, to import the DXL folder, click on the Select Folder button. This is the folder path. Now here user have selected the DXL file. Click on the Next button. Here data imported in the software panel. Now user can see the folder hierarchy. User can check and uncheck the folder to convert accordingly. Then click on the Next button. Now here software provide filter options. These options help user to filter the particular data from the entire data, with specific options such as date range. Whenever you want to export data for a specific time period, then enable this option. In case you decide to go with the from, to, and the subject fields, you must then enter the email ID or subjects in the required fields. Exclude folder. If you do not want to export a folder, name it here. Root folder. The resultant folder by default name is migrated. User can changes accordingly. Exclude empty folder. This option will not export the empty folder. Select saving option. Tool provide more than 30 options to convert your DXL file. For now I am moving with PST option. Below there is separate PST per user option. Enable this option as per the need. This option will generate the particular PST file according to the individual user. Now click on the Browse button to save the location. Panel select the location, and name the file accordingly. Now for the final step, click on the Next button. Here data starts converting. Alert appears, conversion completed successfully. Click on the OK button. Trial version convert only 25 mails. Click on the OK button. Now here resultant PST. Import them in Outlook and Access. Import the PST by using this Import and Export option.